Are you ready to capture your next adventure with stunning clarity and vibrant colors? Choosing the right travel camera can make all the difference in preserving those unforgettable memories. With so many options available, it's essential to find a camera that suits your unique style and needs. In this video, we'll take a look at some of the best travel cameras on the market, highlighting their features, portability, and image quality. Whether you're a seasoned photographer or a casual traveler, we've got you covered to enhance your journey. Find all the product links mentioned in this video in the description box below. For more comprehensive details, visit our website Consumerfinds.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and click the notification bell for the latest updates. Ready for the list? Let's jump right in. Number 5. GoPro Hero 13 Black, our find for best action travel camera. Are you searching for a high-resolution action camera that seamlessly captures smooth videos and breathtaking photos? Your quest is over with the GoPro Hero 13 Black. Equipped with a 1/1.9-inch sensor and a flexible 8:7 aspect ratio, this camera allows you to capture the perfect shot. Whether you're surfing the waves, snowboarding down mountains, or trying to master that latest dance trend. While it maintains a familiar design reminiscent of its predecessors, it features an upgraded Enduro battery that offers an impressive 2.5 hours of runtime. This means more time focused on your adventures and less time worrying about battery life. Navigating through the camera's settings is straightforward, thanks to the Easy and Pro modes. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find it easy to adapt to your style. With superior horizon lock and Hypersmooth 6, you can produce stable footage, eliminating the frustration of shaky videos. Let's dive into its specifications. A 12mm f2.5 lens, a 2.27-inch rear touchscreen, and the ability to shoot in stunning 5.3K at 60 frames per second make the GoPro Hero 13 Black a versatile tool for any adventurer. By choosing this action camera, you're setting yourself up to unleash your creativity and capture epic moments wherever your journeys take you. Embrace your inner filmmaker and prepare for unforgettable experiences. Number 4. Ricoh GR IIIx, our find for best compact travel camera. Are you searching for a compact camera that delivers exceptional image quality without the bulk? Look no further than the Ricoh GR IIIx. This remarkable device features an APS-C sensor, commonly found in larger mirrorless cameras, ensuring stunning clarity and detail in every shot. Equipped with a versatile 40mm f2.8 lens, it serves as a reliable companion for capturing everything from vibrant street scenes to intimate brunch moments. While the GR IIIx excels in many areas, it's essential to consider its limitations. It doesn't come with a built-in flash, and its battery life is more suited for short outings rather than extended shoots. Additionally, the fixed touchscreen may not withstand the rigors of adventurous photography, which could be a drawback for some users. However, these minor inconveniences are outweighed by its superb image quality, which can elevate your photography to new heights. With a maximum ISO of 102,400 and built-in sensor shift image stabilization, this camera adapts seamlessly to various lighting conditions, making it perfect for spontaneous city explorations. When you take the Ricoh GR IIIx on your next adventure, you're not just carrying a camera, you're bringing along a powerful tool that enhances your ability to document unforgettable moments with stunning vibrancy. Embrace the joy of photography and let the Ricoh GR IIIx help you tell your story. Still searching for the perfect travel camera? Don't give up just yet. We've got more in store for you. If this is your first time here, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our latest videos. You won't be disappointed. Number 3. Sony ZV-1, our find for best vlogging travel camera. Are you in search of the ideal vlogging companion to accompany you on your adventures? The Sony ZV-1 is designed with travel vloggers in mind, offering features that enhance your storytelling experience. Equipped with fast hybrid autofocus and real-time eye autofocus, this compact camera ensures that your eyes remain sharp and focused as you share your latest journeys. Whether you're exploring a vibrant market or relaxing on a beach, the 3-inch flip-out LCD screen serves as your personal selfie assistant, allowing you to adjust your angle effortlessly for the perfect shot. With the ability to create stunning background bokeh, you'll draw viewers in, making you the focal point of your narrative. One standout feature is the product showcase setting, which allows for seamless transitions in focus from your face to items you are highlighting, maintaining viewer engagement. Automatic exposure ensures you're well lit, even in challenging lighting conditions. Concerned about background noise? The forward directional microphone paired with a detachable windscreen captures your voice clearly while minimizing distractions. If you prefer to elevate your audio quality, the option to connect an external microphone is available. With hybrid image stabilization, even if you're on the move, your footage remains smooth and steady, making viewers feel as if they're right there with you. The Sony ZV-1 is not just a camera, it's a tool to help you share your adventures in the best light possible. Number 2. Sony RX100 VII, our find for best point-and-shoot travel camera. Are you tired of carrying around a bulky camera that weighs you down on your adventures? The Sony RX100 VII is the perfect compact solution, proving that exceptional photography can come in a small package. This impressive camera allows you to leave your smartphone behind and step up your visual storytelling. With its stacked 1-inch sensor, your travel photos will showcase stunning quality, whether you're capturing sweeping landscapes or candid moments in the park. The RX100 VII features an impressive zoom range, ensuring you can get the perfect shot without the hassle of extra gear. Best of all, it fits right in your pocket, making it easy to take along wherever you go. However, it's essential to keep in mind that compact cameras like the RX100 VII often have shorter battery life. To ensure you never miss a breathtaking sunset or spontaneous moment, consider carrying a backup battery or a power bank. Equipped with standard features like optical and digital image stabilization, as well as versatile aspect ratios, this camera gives you the creative freedom to experiment with your photography. With the RX100 VII by your side, you'll find yourself becoming the envy of fellow travelers who are left wondering about your secret. Elevate your photography game and capture memories that truly reflect the essence of your adventures. Before we unveil the top find, don't forget to explore the description below for the latest deals on each of these items. And if you want to stay informed about the best products on the market, make sure to subscribe. Number 1. OM System OM5, our find for best travel camera overall. Are you an adventurous traveler in search of the perfect companion to document your journeys? The OM System OM5 is designed just for you. This compact Micro Four Thirds camera perfectly balances portability and image quality, making it an ideal choice for those who love to explore. With its lightweight and compact design, the OM5 easily fits into your bag, leaving you plenty of space for souvenirs or snacks. Plus, its weather-sealed construction ensures that it can withstand various environmental conditions, so you can fully embrace your adventures without worrying about your equipment. The OM5 features an impressive 5-axis in-body image stabilization system, which means you can capture smooth, steady footage whether you're navigating a busy marketplace or shooting tranquil landscapes. While the battery life may not be the longest, keeping a spare battery or portable power bank on hand can help you keep shooting without missing a moment. Equipped with a 20.4 megapixel Micro Four Thirds live metal oxide semiconductor sensor, a tilting touchscreen, and the capability to shoot in 4K video, the OM5 empowers you to tell your unique story in vivid detail. Suitable for both beginners and intermediates, this camera is your perfect partner on your photographic journey. So, gear up with the OM5 and embark on your next adventure, confident that you'll capture every extraordinary moment along the way. That's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a like and subscribe, and let us know in the comment which travel camera you are going to choose. Thanks for watching. We will see you in our next videos.